The US dollar run continues into the midweek, though, as we've highlighted, as of yet, no key levels have been broken that would suggest the buck is about to make another big run. The euro drop has been more of a drip and continues to find good demand into dips, and even the pound has managed to hold up above the 2019 low, despite all of the added pressure it's faced from Brexit worry and a softer run of UK data. Wednesday could prove to be a pivotal day for the market, with participants still trying to figure out just how much things have changed for the Fed after last week's healthy NFP data that triggered a scaling back of rate cut bets. The Fed chair's testimony will be used as a vehicle to further market expectations of where exactly the Fed is at on its policy outlook, and if, in fact, recent moves to scale back on those rate cut bets have been well-founded. Of course, all of this aside, even if Powell comes off less dovish because of the data, this won't necessarily mean the Fed will avoid citing other downside risks to justify a more aggressive rate cut outlook going forward. These include downside risk associated with a capitulation in the U.S. equity market and downside risk associated with U.S. administration trade policy. Whatever the case, Wednesday volatility should come from what the market thinks Powell is telling it by way of the testimony. Other standouts on today's calendar that should not go unnoticed are the batch of UK economic data in the form of GDP, trade, industrial production, and construction output, and NIESR UK growth tracker, the Bank of Canada policy decision, and the Fed minutes late in the day. That's all for now.